Guys, welcome back to Do It at a Dime with Kathryn. It is no secret that I love thrifting, and over the years I've shared with you some of my favorite finds on this channel. Inspiration that I got online and brought to life from the thrift store. And recently our dining room table broke. This table is broken. Oh no, our table, it's broken. I decided to give this space a refresh completely from the thrift store and take you along. And I'm so excited because today's video is brought to you by Thredup, the world's largest online clothing thrift store you'll definitely want to check out. So without further ado, let's jump into it. If you're looking for furniture pieces for your home, I've got two great tips for you. And the first is to find your local Habitat for Humanity. It's such a great charity and they have incredible furniture selection. I'll be sure to put a link down below to their website so you can find the Habitat for Humanity Restore near you. There's tons of them all across the country and I found the prices to be really good. Thrifting can be overwhelming, so make sure you have inspiration in your mind of what you're looking for so you can look at pieces and see how you could adapt them. I had lots of inspiration for a dining room on Pinterest, and that was my springing board. So we are at the Habitat for Humanity thrift store, and we're gonna walk through and see some of the hidden gems in here, what we can upcycle. I'm really excited. There's a few things I have in mind, so let's go. What I also love about the Restore is they're trying to move inventory quickly, so the longer an item sits on the floor, the more likely it is to become a great deal for you. These are some of the tables they have in inventory. This matches the lines of one of the pieces that I like, but I think this is going to require a lot of DIY. I don't think these are quite big enough. Ooh, these white chairs are kind of cool, but I don't see the table that goes with them. Look at this ottoman. This is a brand new item. That could be really cool in the right space. This is a Pottery Barn dresser and a Pottery Barn kids desk. Wow. They're asking $225. This side table is pretty cool and looks very quality. They've got this super cool corner shelf too. This is just $30. I think if you gave this a fresh coat of paint, it could look really great in the right space. We found this awesome table we were kind of considering actually for the dining room. There's two leaves and an extending table, and it's super cute farmhouse style. Check out the legs on it, it's gorgeous. This piano is like a really good deal. It says it's been kept tuned, which is the most important thing if you're buying a thrifted piano. So we just found these really cool shoe racks. They're only $20. They're solid wood, way better than anything you could find at the store. So I'm gonna bring this home with me and give it a quick upgrade. Stools on clearance, I've gotta love it. So these are great and pretty much in every single thrift store, and there's some cool organizing stuff that you can do with these. These are two super quick DIYs to help you think outside the box when you're shopping. I just took an old shoe organizer, cut it down. I had a dolly sitting on hand and I turned the stool upside down on it. Then I put a dollar store basket inside and I decided to turn this into a wrapping station. You can really easily wheel this into your closet. I just used some chip clips on the sides and hung some gift bags. This is the perfect way to have everything at the ready for wrapping presents. Also, I went to the dollar store to get these universal tool hooks. I took these home and took an old board and sanded it down and gave these a quick coat of spray paint. I just dressed the board and added this on. I painted over the screws so you wouldn't see them. And then I hung this on the wall right next to the brand new shoe organizer. I love this. I think it would look great in any closet, and it was done on a dime. I hope you can give DIYs like this a try yourself. They are actually easy. True story, I love thrifting, but there are two things that I hate about it. One is sitting in store and trying to find clothes. That takes forever, I don't have time for it. And two, actually recognizing the clothes that would be good for me to buy, which is why I am so thankful to Thredup for sponsoring today's video. They are the world's largest online secondhand clothing store with your favorite name brands. I am talking J. Crew, Guess, Loft, up to 90% off estimated retail. And what's more, have an amazing part of their site called Thrift the Look. So you can take really cute looks and then it will automatically sift the clothes for you in your sizes of styles that look good for you and on your body. It is amazing, and I want to show you the two looks that I put together on their site really affordably. Check this out. This look was so fun to put together, and I tried to keep it really literal, exactly what she did. And what I really loved were the jean and shoe combinations, especially being able to see a little bit of your ankle. Okay, so these are Bleecker & Bond shoes that retail for $95, and I got them for 30 bucks. I combined it with these jeans from Old Navy. I just love a good Old Navy jean. They are so cute, and I got them for just $16. They retail for $30. But I think my ultimate favorite is this sweater. This is a J. Crew sweater. I got it for just $12, retails for $60. And this gorgeous top is from Land's End. This retails for $95 and I got it for 20 bucks. The look is so comfortable. I actually got this in kind of a larger size because I wanted it to be a little bit billowy. I just love it and it is so wearable for every day. I really love the Build This Outfit feature. You can just click and add items right to your cart to find very similar looks. This is literally the way to make thrifting so simple. Now this curated look, the stylist picked out, and I took some liberties with it that I'm really liking because I combined stuff I normally wouldn't. Okay, so these shoes I fell in love with, and I loved the pink color. I didn't want something where you could see my toes, so these were perfect, just $25, retail for $60. I'm also pairing it with the same Old Navy jeans. And this kimchi blue top retails for $60 and I got it for 20 bucks. But I think the best part of all is for sure this pink coat. I did not think I could pull off this color, but I really like it. It is a Tahari by ASL coat that retails for $125 and I got it for 60 bucks. I am so excited about this, and honestly, I have been wearing this sweater everywhere. You've probably seen it on Instagram. My sweet friend, do not forget to check out Thredup. You get up to 60% off your first order when you use the code DIME at checkout. That is seriously amazing on top of all of the deals. Back to the thrift store I went, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if you do this too, but for some of those bigger pieces, sometimes I have to pine after them for a while before I decide I wanna get it, but I wanted to get inspired with some smaller items. I also really like this North Carolina basket. This is super cool, super cute. What is this for? This is for like chomp. This is actually a really great strainer. This is like the perfect size for like fruits and stuff. And stainless steel. This is nice. They have an organizing shelf. They're asking too much for it. They have a marble cloche for $6. That could be really pretty actually. Like with the right like little cookies under it or something. It's cute. It's cool. They also have a lot of vintage like mason jars. How much are these? They're only $1 each. I am actually really loving all of this stuff. These are all cast iron. This is only $6. So we just got home and I took a look at our dining room and realized that table that I loved so very much in store is absolutely going to be perfect in here. It's okay. You want to know what? You were thrifted too. You were kind of thrifted. Now you're part of the family. That's how it works. We're actually going to be sending this table back to the Habitat for Humanity store. So the table is not broken when it doesn't have the leaves in it. The leaves in the table were what made it broken. It wasn't fitting together. But I think as a small table, it's gonna work really well. So we ended up bringing home that new table and I cleaned it off with my favorite spray. It's this Pledge antibacterial cleaner. It works great on so many surfaces. And I love that it gives items like this from the thrift store a good deep cleaning. Not sponsored by Pledge, but I do love them. So here are a few of the thrifty finds I want to work with. I really liked this wine tower. We actually don't have one of these or really a great spot to store our wine, so I'm going to bring that in here. I also really like this glass canister. It was just $2, so we're going to just get some really pretty ambiance going out in here and finally have a spot I feel like our family can use and actually enjoy. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a sucker for fresh flowers. I got some on sale at the grocery store, added them to the mason jars, and then I took this little farmhouse style container and added them to the inside. It turned out just gorgeous. I also added the hydrangeas to the larger vase. And remember that little wicker basket I picked up? I took some dollar store flowers and dollar store votives and decided to set this inside. It's a cool note to North Carolina, which is actually where we live, and I decided to set this right on top of my piano, which conveniently enough was thrifted. Putting this side by side by my inspiration pictures, I think I did a pretty good job. What about you? I just love how this space turned out. It's so cozy and inviting, plus the little upgrades that I was able to find on a super small budget. Definitely leave me a comment down below with your favorite part of this makeover, and don't forget to check out Thredup. Remember, you get up to 60% off your first order when you use the code DIME at checkout. I love it so much. It's such an honor to get to work with them. Some of you said you even saw me in a recent commercial that they've been airing, which has just been so fun. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. My sweet friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. Would you click that subscribe button? I would love to see you guys next time, and I'll catch you there. Bye. They have this exercise machine too. It's $81. I wonder why it's $81. Like, why is it the one, you know? Well, let me try. I need to get back to the gym. It's been too long. Oh, that'll get your core going.